I was sent these vacuum bags for my review, and I'm literally going to try them for the very first time. I've used different ones before. The ones that I have used, you actually had like a hand pump. Well, this one, which comes in the package, there are a few different options. So if you are looking for it to come with the pump, you need to make sure that that's the one you are looking at, because you can just get the bags, which is kind of nice if you just need some extra bags and not actually the pump. One thing to keep in mind, so yeah, this is rechargeable, and it did not actually come with the cable, which at first I was like, where's my cable? And then my husband's like, do we really need another cable? And I was like, good point. We have millions of cables laying around, so we don't actually need it. So we are good. So I believe this is like the 10 pack, and it has 3 different sizes. So I've just taken the smallest one here. I've shoved a bunch of shirts in here. I've got mine, my husband. I think there's like 10 shirts in here. We've just got those like that. So that's the small bag. Then we've got the medium size bag, and then we've got the large bag. So these are really good. I mean, they're calling them, you know, like for travel. Me personally, we live in the Caribbean and we have tons of winter clothes because we travel during winter. So I love to store them in the vacuum seal bags because A, takes up less space, and then B, they're not hanging somewhere getting that musty smell. That's what's really fantastic about these vacuum seal bags, is that no water is going to get into them, no dust, no musty smell. So get home, wash everything. Once they're properly dried, you don't want to put them in here wet. They're going to get all moldy. Then you pack them away and then you're good to go. So as I said, I've never tried these ones before. Pro tip, there is a double seal at the top. You need to make sure you're pushing both of those super sealed. Those need to be closed. It does come with these like little red tags, and you can actually drag that along the seal to help you close it. Personally, I find these don't really work. I don't ever use them. I just use my fingers and make sure that they're really close. Okay, let's stop talking. Let's actually see how this works. I have no idea what I'm doing. I think so we've opened this. I think we just put this on top here and turn it on. But as I said, oh, do we twist it? No, I don't know. We're about, no, I think it just sits. Okay, so it just sits right on. And then I'm going to, I mean, I'm twisting it, but this side it's like rubber, so it doesn't have the little like marks for twisting it. I think that's just for the cap. But anyways, let's go ahead and see. First try, who knows? Turn that on. Oh, look at that. And I do this with all my vacuum bags. It has nothing to do with just this one. Is while it's actually vacuum sealing, I like to just kind of push down on it while it's going, just to really help it like squish down as much as possible. I do that with all of them. So it has nothing to do with this. But like, I'm impressed. Look at that. This, mind you, as well, came right out of the package. I did not like, check out the small. I wish we, have a little before and after. But look, it's like nice and flat now. Before it was like super bulky. So this makes it so much easier just to kind of store and slide into a spot. I have these all sitting on top of a shelf. But yeah, having this is so awesome. And again, like the ones that I had before, as I said, was a hand pump that was so big to travel. So if you are using this for traveling, look how tiny this is. This is fantastic. If you need some vacuum seal bags, highly recommend.